That's not correct.
they thought they should treat me nicely in the film. तो उन्होंने ऐसा कुछ स्टेप नहीं लिया.
ये इसमें डॉक्टरों के लिए भी आसानी हो जाती है. They have to follow that form. तो कई चीजें हुई हैं. We always do that. We try and interact with people in power, whether it's administration or our elected representatives, ताकि हम उनको अपील करें, हम उनको हेल्प करें. We take part. कानून तो कई अच्छे कानून हैं. I think even the law on protection for children is very strong right now. Against sexual assault against women is very strong right now. तो ये कानून तो सही है जब तक, लेकिन ये कानून का जो पालन, actually the execution of this, the fact that the police follows and the judiciary follows this to the T, and I think that when cases get over quickly and fast, that will be the big change. पीके में भी बहुत ही एक अहम और हाँ बिल्कुल आप सही कह रहे हैं, पीके में भी एक बहुत ही गहरा मैसेज है, बहुत ही अहम मैसेज है. वो क्या मैसेज है हम अभी तो नहीं बताएंगे, हम चाहते हैं कि आप फिल्म में देखें.
नहीं, वो मैसेज ऐसे पीके का मैसेज है कि आप पीके देखिए. ये बहुत क्लियर मैसेज हम आपको दे रहे हैं और ये मैसेज देने हम हैदराबाद में आए हैं और बहुत ये इंपॉर्टेंट मैसेज है. प्लीज ये सबको बता दीजिए.
पीके मत देखिए लेकिन पीके देखिए.
हाँ, ये मैसेज बहुत ही क्रिटिकल है भाई साहब.
पूरा उन्होंने बोला कि बहुत अच्छा लगा उन्हें.
बताई दो यार.
बताई तो रही हूँ.
मैं बताता हूँ उन्होंने क्या कहा, मैं भी था वहां पे. उन्होंने कहा कि ये फिल्म उनको 3 इडियट से ज्यादा बेहतर लगी. Am I right?
आमिर जी, आप मूवी में
और मैं भी एक बात बता देता हूं जो मुझे पता है. उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि ये इनकी वर्ल्ड कप विन है. वो भी आप देख लीजिएगा.
ऐसे टुकुर टुकुर कहा देगा तो. हाँ, अरे हम पीके हो, पीके पहचाने नहीं काम का. सिंपल रखा है ताकि लोग समझ पाए. हमने एकदम गाढ़ी और गाग भोजपुरी नहीं रखी है. वी वांटेड अ भोजपुरी जो देश भर में लोग समझ पाए. बट दैट फ्लेवर इज देयर.
फेस किया.
आपको लगता है कि वो मुझसे शॉर्ट नहीं है?
We can see in the poster.
देखिए, who is taller? Tell me. हाँ?
No, of course she is taller.
अरे क्या कह रही हैं
आप पोस्टर में देखिए पीछे.
अरे पोस्टर में देखने से क्या है? ओहो, देखो कितना टॉलर हूं मैं.
No, हेलमेट लगाने के बाद भी you're looking shorter than her.
अब उसके लिए तो पैर काटने पड़ते हैं इनके. That's not correct.
They thought they should treat me nicely in the film. तो उन्होंने ऐसा कुछ स्टेप नहीं लिया. But I think it's very cute actually, and I don't believe in what you're saying कि ऐसा होना चाहिए. ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए. There should be nothing fixed. If it.
I always look up to my women. Well, that I'm not so sure about.
That I'm also not sure.
You always look up. That I'm sure about.
See, there are two kinds of music which films usually have. One is which is kind of very connected with the film, which links the film, takes the story forward, and that's the kind of music we've always chosen to do. Otherwise, you just cut away with a lovely piece of song, but it's not really connected with the film. So this music is also like that. All the songs you hear are completely connected with the film. The song, the music, the lyrics, all the songs if you've heard on the CD are connected with the film.
And songs like this, you enjoy much more in the film once you've seen the film.
Affection and saying moral policing shouldn't be done. Kissing is as natural as anything. It's a way to express love. So this kind of Kiss of Love campaign happened in a lot of cities. Now, such campaigns.
Actually, I've always been very public in my affection to, for example, with Kiranji. Whenever I'm with her, I'm holding her hands. We sometimes kiss in public. I think I can understand why some people are averse to it. I can understand why some people are against it. But I think you can voice your opinion. I don't think you should take to violence. We must understand that we are in a democracy. And if some people feel that public display of affection is all right, then they should do that. Some people feel it's not all right. They should not do that. It's each individual to his own. But violence should not be resorted to. You can't start hitting someone for this reason. You can't start attacking someone for this reason. That is very unfortunate. If I don't like something, I don't do it. If someone likes it, he's doing it. This is a free country. This is a free democracy. So we should also learn to be a little more tolerant in these things. Physical violence for something like this is very unfortunate, I feel. Very comfortable displaying affection to my wife, to my children, to my family, to my mother. I'm very comfortable displaying my affection to them.
Showing affection and love to each other, then hitting each other, which is considered completely all right. It's totally okay to slap someone or hit someone, and you know, people will just look and say चलो चलता है, इनका कोई झगड़ा होगा and आगे चले जाते हैं. But if you show affection or you show love, then people, you know, cringe and this whole moral judgment is passed. And I'm completely against moralistic judgments.